I'm just going to do a play along, sing along of Summertime, so you can work on these progressions, and especially that A minor progression. But Jim also brought up, we have another potential for a progression in here. It's the D minor. And I really like this way of doing it too. I am barring across all five, on the fifth fret across all four strings. And this is the way I bar. The first joint in my finger, I have over the G string. This is the only way I can get leverage with someone who doesn't have strong hands. So I'm doing that. And then with my ring finger, as Jim was saying, it's like I'm making a little A minor form. And I'm placing my ring finger in the seventh fret. You see this? Well, if this is a D minor progression and the note that moves, what note do you think this is? And it's all, the note that's moving is on the G string. So what note do you think this is? It's a D. Now I'm going to move it down a half step. Now just the bar. Now here's what I do at the end of this. I make a G9. Now we'll talk more about this next week, but let me just show you one more time. And then that G9. Now we talked about the E9. You're just bringing it up so the index finger is in the fourth fret. Sliding that up. It's a movable form. Ooh, see what I mean? So much fun stuff. So much fun stuff, not enough time. So let's do a play-along video of Summertime. Starting note is E. Here's our tempo. I'm going to do it really slowly. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4. Sorry. Summertime, and the living is easy. Fish are jumping, I'm just doing a D minor here. And the cotton is high, slide, slide. Whoa, your daddy's rich, and your ma is good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. Now I'm gonna do Jim's D minor. You're gonna spread your wings, then you'll take to the sky. But till that morning, there ain't nothing can harm you. With Daddy and Mammy standing by. And that A minor 9. Whoa! Yay! How was that?
That's really
for
cool.
everybody?
It's really fun.